So you might be in a random situation where for some reason iMessage notifications are not going through. So maybe people are messaging you or something like that, but for some reason these messages just aren't going through at all, or these notifications aren't actually going through. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through, as always, make sure you don't have Do Not Disturb mode on. So sometimes you're just gonna have to swipe down from the top right corner like I did there awkwardly, and you're gonna have to go through and get into your Do Not Disturb mode, which you have right there. And all you're going to want to do here is make sure this is not toggled on. If this is toggled on right here where it says Do Not Disturb mode or focus mode, chances are you might run into some problems there and it might not work out for you properly. So go through, try seeing if that'll end up fixing the problem for you, and that's pretty much the starting point. Now, if that's not working, the next thing you might want to try doing is to go inside of your settings application. So go inside of your settings application here, and you want to go through and find iMessage. So scroll through or find messages, which is right here. And then you want to go through and you want to click on the messages option right here, right? So you want to get into messages, and you need to go through and you kind of need to scroll over, and you just want to make sure allow notifications is enabled. So go through, you want to enable your notifications like this, and then all you're going to want to do here is basically just see if those messages are working again, which chances are they might be. And then all you're going to have to do here is just, if it's for some reason it's still not working, try restarting your iPhone. If that's not working, you can also try updating your iPhone, and that'll probably end up fixing the problem for you too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.